some yacht is also passing us. Here, super yacht, the dinghy behind. Beautiful super yacht. Lovely stuff, lovely stuff. Bora, Bora, French Polynesia, Pacific Ocean. Bora, Bora, French Polynesia. So David is gonna anchor the buoy or boy, I don't know. Let's call it buoy. We're gonna make it right there. Now that's a good one. Okay, steady the boat, please. Steady the boat. Move. Run with it. Yes.
No,
okay.
Short, my friend.
Yeah, run with. Oh yeah, it's short. Yeah, go to the back. Run down. There you are, David. Run. Here's the wine, Jim. It's an amazing place here. We have fish, small sharks. So beautiful. It's like paradise reincarnated. The candle lights. It's amazing here. This is our table. My friends are already seated.
Oh, with the car. No, with the big car.
Yeah. This is crazy. I'm gonna sit down. Just ordered some drinks. Oh,
We certainly would not have been on time.
French Polynesia.
This worked out great.
No. On a tour of Bora. This is Bora, not Raiatea. French Polynesia. The atolls in the sea. The paradise in the sea. The once in a lifetime visit for everyone, I would guess. If you can manage, please come out here. Paradise started here and ended here. A few areas claim to be very beautiful, but I think this is on another level. So in the backyard is the famous Tamani. Right. We are sailing on a yacht. And we are doing good so far. We're doing good. Joined by my friends Bora and Charles Sr. I'm Charles Jr. on this boat. David, Captain. Jay, the Captain. Up there we have Alex, Captain number 2, and Sam. And then the fun begins. Alright, this is how sailing looks like. Big French Polynesia. Bora. going around the islands. We are like in a lagoon currently. French Polynesia. Can't get more enchanting than this. This is out of this world. Looks like a movie scene here. I'm completely amazed. Putemani. This world has beautiful places, and one of them is French Polynesia. Definitely top 10. An amazing opportunity to have visited these enchanting islands, and I thank God. All my friends are grateful. Been planning this for some time now, roughly almost 2 years. It's not easy. French Polynesia is a very far destination from Kenya, and you can imagine the preparations, the finances, and all, hiring the yachts, the transfer fees. It's a lot of stuff here, but this is a once in a lifetime trip, so we're gonna enjoy it to our fullest. Early boy world explorer in French Polynesia, sailing. Nana.